The reason modern engines need to be kept so clean going through the remanufacturing processes are the old synthetic oils, carbon deposits, and any machining work which goes through the remanufacturing process. That will cause swarf. All the oil galleries need to be cleaned, all the waterways, and it's an ongoing process all the way through manufacturing from block, head, etc.
Our individual machines, when combined together, can provide the perfect solution. Whether you're cleaning multiple parts or multiple parts of one component, then you will use multiple machines. Whether you're using ultrasonic, ADS hot wash or wet and dry machines, when you bring those parts back together and rebuild them, it's that perfect solution that gives you the answer that you're looking for.